Are we live? Let me check. Mhm. I guess we are live. Should be live. Perfect, we are live. Hey, 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 people, how you doing? Long time no see. It's been 24 hours. I guess it's not 24 hours, it's 20 hours. Let me just post this and then let's start the video. Looks good to me. Let's like it up. Anything else we need to do? No, we are good. Hey, 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 people, how you doing? So, this is the page that we created yesterday. Basically, I created it on for one of my YouTube videos. So, we're gonna make the video live, I guess, today or maybe tomorrow. I'm still not sure, like by when I'll make it live, but yes, we're gonna make it live. And look at this. This page is made by Claude Opus 4.5, and it made this with just one prompt, just a single prompt. Let me show you. So it right now shows that meet your sales team. So like how the whole sales team is gonna work is lead intelligence, sales development, closer, and revenue operations. We're gonna have more agents because we need coaching, we need so many different stuff out there. So for sure we're gonna go through all of those. But yes, for now we have this much. Voice engine, SMS brain and email brain. Like everything is super, super perfect. It says 34% response rate, 52% open rate. Like this is just crazy. This is crazy. Just with one prompt, it's never happening thing, right? Going ahead, this is saying live in 2 weeks. Actually, it should be live in 2 hours. But yes, we need to change it. So sometimes it might lose something. See how it says how is this different from a regular AISDR. See, we have answered the question without without even me asking Claude to do it, right? Like we are not an AISDR, we are a complete sales team. It says Scout handles lead scoring, Alex warms prospects, Max closes the deal, and Area manages CRM. One brain coordinates everything with a closer first philosophy. Look at this, guys. This is huge. This is getting huge. And we are gonna get huge. So that's for sure part. Okay. Now let's just close this for now and even okay, we need to give this to Codex. Okay. I so basically from now on we're gonna work on this. Like we're gonna work with this to-do list. Basically, that's what I've created for for just remembering all the tasks that we have to do. So we have agentic email to be processed. We have to check agentic SMS system. We have to go through waitlist and AI call webhook. If you watched our yesterday's live, that was day 7. So you would know that we had made the plan for this. Let me show you the plan. We did make the plan. So this, I guess, that's not the plan. Yeah, this is the plan. See, this is the huge plan. Okay. Like there are a lot of things to be worked over. And yes, so first we're gonna get the plan reviewed, and there is another plan, mini CRM implementation. So all of these gonna get worked on. Let's start the music and let's go vibing. Perfect. We have a plan made for waitlist and AI call webhook. Please go through the whole plan, review it, and get back to me with like rate it down out of 10 and get me whatever improvements that are needed for the whole thing because how I want it to work is once anybody fills out the waitlist form, our AI agent, like the AI agent of sales creator, our company, it's gonna call that person and just inquire about whatever things they wanna like inside this, as well as it will try to close the deal. So basically, this is going to be an AI sales rep of sales creator. So it's gonna take all the inbound leads and it's gonna call them. So that's how we are planning to do it. So make sure the plan that we have made inside plans.md is super super perfect. And yes, go through it once and let me know. So now it will go through it and it will let us know that what all things are needed to be done. Perfect. Close this down. Wait list is in progress. Okay. Now we're gonna ask Codex window. Let's get it started. Wow, can we paste the image? Can we paste the image? I thought we cannot for sure because terminal doesn't take an image. Yeah, it doesn't take an image. See, I'm trying to do it, but it's not taking in the image. Yeah, why would it take it up? Okay, let's go. Um, hey GPT, we have made a plan for. Let's not go with that first. Perfect. Hey GPT, we have made a plan for agentic email. So please go through it inside plans.md, review it, and rate it out of 10. And make sure if you think there should be any improvements inside it, then let me know. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just getting reviews from different models. Like this plan has been made by Claude Opus 4.5. So I'm getting it reviewed from 5.1 Codex Max High. So that's how, we can just go through the whole process and we can get to know like what all things are needed to be worked on. Because that's where, you can get different opinions from different experts, and then once you have the whole plan ready, you can start working on it, right? It's just model orchestration, like you just orchestrate everything, you use everything and you leverage it. Let's see. I believe this should be done. Yes, perfect. It says data flow is 9 on 10, email deliverability is 8 on 10, webhook security is 8 on 10, sales rep config is 4 on 10. Suggested implementation checklist. Please edit it perfectly. Once it edits it, we're gonna go ahead and make it work on the whole thing. Till then, let's start getting on the other plan. That's okay. This is also reviewed. It says agentic email looks strong and well phrased. I would rate it 8.7. Oh, 8.7. Wow. This is something new. It rates amazingly. Wow. So a few gaps to tighten before build. Okay. Perfect. Please go ahead and edit the whole plan. And once edited, start working on it with multi-level planning. perfect. I've named the tab so we don't fall out of confusion. Let's go ahead and get another agent working. Um, okay, agentic email is on the go. Perfect. Any other plans we have? Let's see. I want it to review this agentic SMS thing. It says all the tasks are completed for sure. I know it is completed, but let's get it reviewed. We have this to get worked over because Vercel is having some errors with all this files. So we have just prepared a code so that we can just give it to, like, we have just prepared a prompt so that we can just make Codex do the changes. Changes for Vercel. Okay, let's see what it has done. Then I have rewritten the wait list. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Start working on it and make sure you leave no gaps and it should be implemented 100%. Perfect. Let it go and let it start doing the work. What does this say? A strong email coverage, added consent evidence, signed unsubscribed tokens, and deliverability guardrails. Okay, perfect. Go ahead and start implementing it with multi-level planning and for sure not stop until you have implemented it 100%. Make sure you don't leave any gaps. Perfect. What all agents we have working on stuff right now? Okay, let me just make their size perfect. Looks good. It says it's working on migration. This is feature implementation completeness, and this is importing some packages and stuff. Okay, all of them are working. Let's go to Notion. Let's check what all things are. Okay, this is on the go. Mini CRM implementation plan. Perfect. Let's get it reviewed first. It was made by codex. So we're gonna get it reviewed by Claude 4.5 Opus. Hey Opus, I just want you to go through plans.md and there is a plan like implementation plan for mini CRM. Go through it, make sure everything is implemented 100%, there are no gaps left, and review the whole plan and get back to me with the review, like rate it out of 10 and give me like what all improvements are needed, what all things are needed to be worked on, and what all things are perfect. Okay, let's get it working. Oh, we take it as Opas. Opas. Let's go, Opas. It's working on it. Let's close this. Okay, everybody is working. That's crazy. Now let me log in. Let's see what we have after logging in. Oh, that was the problem. It should log in now. Mhm. Let's get this error to codex. Let's name it error resolver, error handler. That's crazy. Okay, does anybody have any status? Yes. How about this? No. This, no. Okay. It says findings. Go ahead and implement everything that's remaining. Okay. This has done its work. Crazy. It has rated 8.5 on 10. This is partially done. Integration wiring. Okay. Okay, add all those gaps to the plan and start working on it and make sure you implement all the gaps, like you fill out all the gaps perfectly, and there should be no gaps remaining ahead after your implementation. So make sure about filling on all the gaps. Now everybody, okay, this one has done its part. I just did initial calculation to satisfy nullish coalescing parsing rule. Okay, let's go. Let's see what are we good with now. It says it's taking me to onboarding, but it shouldn't take me to onboarding now. Still have this. Let's see what it does. So basically, what are we doing right now is, see, it says tenant path provider. Okay, so like it's like we did create avatars yesterday. So like anybody can select their own avatar and they can just while they like log in or while they sign up, they can choose their avatars as well as once they sign up, they can even change their avatars. That's what we had created yesterday, but it's not working that perfectly. So that's why we have to get on it. Okay, everybody is working, so we have no other issues. All of these are working. 2 and 4 6. 6 agents are currently working, and we're gonna make more agents work now. This is harden the SMS brain to better honor replies and compliance. Go and review the whole process, the whole SMS brain, and everything that's there inside agentic SMS, and make sure we have no gaps, no scope of improvement left. And if there is any, then let me know. Shit. And if it's there's any scope, then let me know. Crazy. Now let me teach you a method. Okay, like that method is just crazy thing. It's just crazy. Like it will make your codex keep on working for like till the task gets completed. I'm not making do it like I'm not gonna make it keep on working until the task gets completed. But yes, let me show you how it does. Keep on working with a multi-level plan and make sure to stop when completed. Okay, first you give this command, just enter it. It will stay in hierarchy, right? Like it will stay in the branch. Once the above task gets completed, it will use this as a new command. Then continue put down continue again. Crazy. There are 3 new commands. It will keep on continuing until and unless it completes everything. So that's the best part. That's the best thing you can learn. Let's stop this for now so that we don't fall out of crashing our stuff now. Just close it. Okay. There are new stuff. Scheduled touches don't actually stop after a reply. Opt out. Full cadence is queued at thread start. Okay. There is no cancellation or skip if thread closed. Okay. Go ahead and implement all these things. I feel all of them are very important. Persistence gap, for sure, analytics gap. We have some tests, for sure, tests are needed. Webhook and ingest gap. Okay, inbound SMS, webhook writes unknown when unresolved. Okay, get it. Go ahead. Still, it has not took your next three commands, right? Like even not took the next command. So let's see when it takes it up. Okay, let's first get this error resolved and then we'll start working on the other thing. Till then, let's see what these guys are doing. Okay, it is still working. And what is waitlist doing? And the plans, I guess. Okay, crazy, nice. Wow, we have something new in the plan. Wow, it's data flow architecture. See, sometimes plans, once you just go through the plan, if you will just go back in the video, if you'll go in the starting part of video when I showed you the plan, there was no flow like this. But this flow has been made by Claude Opus 4.5. That's crazy. Like, if we have some kind of visualization that how it is going to work, then that's the next part of thing. Like, that's the next level thing. Let's see. Waitlist, API waitlist, recent email, admin dashboard, live feed. This API waitlist will go to webhook post. That's gonna make AI call service. That's Rital or WAPI that goes to post call automation. So like this we will change in a bit, but yes, it is making perfect flow. Like look at it. It will then go to our CRM and tasks, what all call outcome is, and post call automation. So that's crazy. Like this thing is just next part of thing, like next level thing. Look at this. AI sales rep configuration, right? It gave it 4 on 10, I believe. So it then changed this. Where did it go? Yes, look at it. Greetings with something, then discovery, pain or fit, offer, objection handling. Let me just accept this. Perfect. There is an offer, objection handling, lock-in commitment, like maybe some calendar booking or demo booking or something like that. Payment, let me send checkout link. Follow up. I'll call you on Tuesday at 2 p.m. That's like super crazy. Super crazy. Okay, see, this is what it did. It worked for 6 minutes. Okay. It just got done with some of the things like implemented core compliance foundation and plumbing for agentic email. Okay. It went down and gave us some notes. Next, apply new migration and everything. And then we just gave the next prompt. It started working on it. So we have already given all the prompts out, right? So it will keep on working. It won't stop until it gets completed. It's like if you'll give 10 continue commands, for sure it's going to complete your task and then it will stop. Like even if the task is this huge, everything is getting worked on. Okay, we'll open it later. Let's see what's the walkthrough. Okay, it's done with the thing. Wow. To activate, add env varies, waitlist, retail from number. Oh wow, this is crazy. Let's do it. Let me do it. And this thing, like the waitlist thing, once they submit the form, so everything should get activated. It's like the whole sales process should get activated for that person. It should be like they should get an SMS, they should get an email, and at the same time, the call will be triggered. So everything, like they will get targeted from all three different channels, and even the brain will get function for them, so that once they just fill out the form, they will get into the whole ecosystem of ours. They should get into it because that's where a sale will happen, right? So go through whole process, make the advanced level plan for it, make a complete enhanced plan for it, like there should be no gaps left, and then start working over it. See, this is how you're gonna orchestrate the model. Like once you have done a bit part of it, like it's just the call part. Yes, that was done, but right now I have connected it to email, to every other thing that's possible. Even check that we had already, I believe, connected the email. So, is it there or not? And if the connection is not there, then make sure we do have it. And if it is already there, then make sure how can we enhance it? Just check on it so that we can maybe go through the whole part and we can, like enhancing the message and the email is the best part. Like if there is a new template needed to be added, we can do it. So please check. Now it will go and work on it till that time. it got terminated. I don't know why. Let's get it try again. Perfect. What are we listening to? Perfect. Let's see what they are doing. It says missing gaps, remaining gaps. Whatever is getting worked on, it is trying to mark all the things. That's nice. Okay, we have done agentic SMS, error handling. See, this is working for a longer time now. It's just because you keep on giving, huge tasks as well as a perfect prompt. Prompts are the best thing. Love the whole part. Now check if any other gaps are remaining.
Lost in your arms tonight, searching for a guiding light, falling into you. My mind gets dark, so drowning in my alibi, swimming in the blue. I don't dive into the sea, 'cause every time I jump it pulls me deep. I tell you that I'm fine, but I've been telling a lie. I was kinda hoping for a lifeline. I don't go into the waves, 'cause I don't feel safe. Yeah, I'm a little scared to put my life on the line. I was kinda hoping you would lifeline. wish I forget, but I run to you. Can you pull me through? I don't dive into the sea, 'cause every time I jump, it pulls me deep. I tell you that I'll fight, but I'll be telling a lie. I was kinda hoping for a lifeline. I don't go into the lake, 'cause every time they crash, I don't feel safe. Yeah, I'm a little scared to put my life on the line. I was kinda hoping for a lifeline. I was kinda hoping for a lifeline. Never give up on loving you. Gun arrow through my heart. Living life to be with you. Yeah, I'm falling like a star. But my heart is split in two, and you hold it on too hard. So I'll never give up on loving you. No, I'll never give up on loving you. Let's go. You're a true Valentine, wanna hold you all the time. Gotta get it right now, now, now you really know me. Now you really know me. Now you really know. You're my sweet cherry pie. You're a pleasure to my eyes. Gotta get it right now, now, now you really know me. Tell me I'm the only vision in your mind. Tattoo.
Narrator up V
Close.
button anti narrator window heading level exiting narrator.
Shit, I was on mute, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay. Um, yeah, so let's just get this thing working. This CRM is going to be used by AI most of the time. So make sure we have all the things that our brain requires inside this CRM and make sure everything works super, super perfectly so that our AI rep, our AI coach, all the different AI agents can work semantically and simultaneously, and they can use the CRM anytime they need. Brain engine, email engine, every other thing should be able to access it. Like the agentic SMS, agentic email, everything should be able to access the whole thing. So make sure you have made it that way and you have implemented it in that way. Whatever your vision is, but your vision should get implemented. You should start taking actions on it because without taking actions, this thing is never gonna make sense. So start taking actions on it, start making agents work on it. Perfect. It has completed something. Progressed agentic email backend and guardrails further. Key updates. It worked for 3 minutes only because it didn't get the huge, prompt to get work done. You have to give your visions out, then it will work. So now it has touched these files, it did these migrations. Perfect. Okay. Let me send everything. Where is it? PM. Include all. It says everything is sent. So this thing is also sent. Perfect. The migrations are done. The migrations are made. So go ahead and start working on every other thing that's remaining. Make sure you make a multi-level plan and keep on working on all the steps that are remaining and don't leave any gaps. Implement everything 100%. Perfect. That's great. Okay. It says runtime can't see node modules from Windows. The repo inside modules currently uses Linux. Yes, true. Windows, which Windows can't resolve. This is true. I shouldn't have opened in WSL. Why would this happen? See, we gave it continue command, right? So it's working on it. This is working, this is working. All of them are working. It's gonna resolve it now. All major gaps closed. Perfect. Remaining limitations, the WSMS service is still in memory simulator, a durable job queue with send time checks would be needed for full persistence across restarts. We have not added the Twilio API key yet, but I want you to implement it fully so that once we add the API key, it should start working. Okay, this needs the permission, but what all things are needed in here? Added further safeguards and planning enforcements for agentic email. Keep on working until you complete all the tasks that are remaining. Make sure to make a multi-level plan and start working step by step. Perfect, it will keep on working now. Till then, let's go in here. Let's see what it has done. Okay, multi-channel waitlist activation implemented. When someone fills out the waitlist form, they now get hit from all three channels simultaneously. Alex will call you. Hey, Alex, will call you in less than 1 minute. AI sales rep to qualify and close. Perfect. Waitlist, email service.ts, welcome, post emails. Okay, perfect. Let's see if this thing works or not. Okay, we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it. Wow. See, if you give it a perfect prompt, there is kind of a perfect prompt that I have found after, using this for a long, like a huge, like I believe for 90 days. And I found that keep on working until you complete all the tasks that are remaining. Like once try giving out a simple task, like a simple thing, like a simple prompt. I'm sorry. Just write continue. It will work for a minute, maybe like this. Okay, and it will stop. But if you will write something like, because it, or else it will respond with something saying that it is a huge task, I can't do it, it has so many different phases, this and that. So if you want to ignore that part, if you want to resist to that part, just write it like until you complete all the tasks that are remaining. Okay, this is where you give your whole plan. But the main thing that resolves the small error, the small bug that comes out that says it is a huge task, I can't do it, you will write, make sure to make a multi-level plan. Okay, make a multi-level plan and start working step by step. Keep on taking small steps, but keep on working. So then it will create everything in phases and it will start working and it will last super long. Like it will take time. It will take time for sure. It worked more than 1 minute for sure. And it will keep on working until full thing is not built. So this is the best prompt. This is the best prompt. Let's make it work like that and let's see. Keep on working with multi-level plan and make sure to work step by step. I know it's a huge task, but yes, complete it and do it step by step so that you don't get confused out of it, and keep on marking whatever tasks you complete.
You know me, I'm not wasting time. No secrets left to hide. You gotta show me love when you're ready, yeah, yeah, yeah. What can we ever bounce on the rhythm, yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta make a move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know me, I'm not wasting time.
Perfect.
No secrets left to hide. You
Let's see
gotta show
what
me
all these three are
love
doing.
when you're ready, yeah, yeah, yeah. Say yeah, yeah, yeah.
PNPM dev, does it work now?
No time to waste.
Nope,
Style
nope,
of
nope.
energy that can't be replaced. No debate. We could take it back
It
to
still has
when
this
we
error
were
loader at
together.
line 1215. We need to
A
click
bottle of
that.
wine on the dollar. Swallowing the bottle while you're smoking on gelato. No dodo. Need some of that no no. Just tell me that you're coming through.
Okay, we need all this in our
What can we ever? Yeah,
env file. Let me open it and put those things down.
what can we ever bounce on the rhythm, yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta make a move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know me, I'm not wasting time. No secrets left to hide. You gotta show
So
me
that we don't stop.
love when you're ready, yeah, yeah, yeah. What can we ever bounce on the rhythm, yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta make a move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know me, I'm not wasting time. No secrets left to hide. You gotta show me love when you're
Or
ready, yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
So let me just.
What can we ever bounce on the rhythm, yeah, yeah, yeah. What can we ever? You gotta make a move to me, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not
So
wasting
I can remember
time.
at least
No
we need to
secrets
have
left to
any one
hide.
out
You
of it.
gotta show me
Optionally,
there's something that won't let me forget the way that you move.
looks good to me. Let's close the env file for now and let's go inside. We got some errors. Okay. Sub dependencies found. Let's see whatever it is. Restart APIs, real sends and schedule sends will use Twilio automatically. Is this whole thing connected with the mini CRM or not? Because obviously everything has to get connected with the mini CRM, as well as if anybody integrates anything like any of their own CRM, like HubSpot, Salesforce, or anything, we need to connect all these things to their CRM too. So, do we have that setup or not? Perfect. Let's see what all of they are doing. This will now work on the plan because obviously, oh, we have something. Current state mini CRM outbound and inbound log basic activities via record activity, but agentic SMS autopilot schedules and that's not right. CRM activities are. Exactly, it should be wired up, but CRM is getting worked on, right? Oh, it is done, it is done, it is done. Crazy. Okay. Mini CRM 100% AI ready, all 14 implementations. Even is this ready if we, if the client of ours connects their whole system, like their whole HubSpot or Salesforce or anything, then can it fetch data and write data into it? Like, do we have the mini CRM super functional and it has all the capabilities to, um, do the integration with other CRMs too or not? Because we need to be super flexible if they use any other CRMs like Get High Level or this HubSpot or Salesforce or anything, then we need to have the perfect thing out there. So make sure to make all these processes and all these pipelines ready for it. Let's see if we have ready, then we can go and make the agentic SMS thing work on it. Otherwise, we cannot make it work right away, right now, right? They're just trying to do this. Perfect, it worked more a bit. What changed? Added separation, management endpoints, notes on remaining apps to reach full plan. Give me the whole list of whatever things that are remaining. Make a multi-step plan for this and start working on all those steps together, step by step, and make sure you stop when all of these are implemented. Make sure not to get confused. Keep on marking all the things that are done and make sure to leave no gaps out there. Okay, let's see what. Oh, okay. This has made some implementation plan. Let's see what is the implementation plan. Says mini CRM gap implementation, SMS activity log. See, it has SMS CRM activity wiring, like all the things that we thought about. Maybe that's the part. Let's ask this. Can you please write this whole thing in brief and give me a handoff prompt so that I can give it to another agent so that it can work on it and make sure you mention all the things that are needed to be done for the missing connection and for the whole thing. You know, this handoff, what this handoff goes for is, you know, we are orchestrating different models right now. So we're going to use Opus 4.5 and we're going to use Codex. So we're going to merge them using. So like, let's see how it works. Okay. Let's see what prompt it generates. We'll give this prompt to Opus 4.5 and let's see how it works. There is the current state. Okay. We have got this. Let's see. Multi-level plan and updated what I shipped this around. Go ahead. Okay. Rebuild dependencies on Windows, remove WSL install, node modules, and run pnpm install, which recreated this with the turbo Windows binary, so CLI can be resolved. Okay. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Once this is done, we're gonna give it the whole other part. Okay. Um, Till then, let's run the whole part. cmd pnpm def. Nice. At least it's building it up. Looks like it's not compiling it or what? Compiled. Perfect. Okay. We are ready with it. Let's see what it does. Mhm. Compiling login. Compiled login. Perfect. We're gonna go for hello at the Brace POS. Let me put down the password. Middleware failed. What? What's the issue now? Let's keep it on this. Let's see what it does. This is working on it. Loading CRM activity interface. Crazy, it's working for 54 minutes, guys. Look at this. This is working on it. What the heck? This is working on CRM sync service.ts, and this is working on the same. Look at it. It read the file. Let's see if they clash. Let's see. I didn't know it's gonna work on it. Why is it taking up this tasks? Don't. Why would you do that? It is. What was it doing? It was auto learning or what? Let's keep this aside. What goes on? Yes, we are inside it. Okay, but it took me to onboarding. Why did it take me to onboarding? I have already done the onboarding. Let's see what it does. Looks like it didn't authorize it perfectly. That's the issue. Let's see what it does. Middleware is still failing. Yeah, that's why that's the issue. This says new company. We are not a new company. Perfect. Look at this. We have avatars ready, right? People can use anybody, like anything they want to use. We have settings, we have billing. What if we go to billing? Oh yeah, we have not logged in yet. It's trying to refresh it, but it's not able to do it just because we have logged in. Let's close this. Let's close this. Let's wait for this to be done. Implemented additional analytics, separation, and cross-channel safeguards. Remaining scopes. Not yet implemented front-end UI. Deeper. Okay. Go ahead and get working on it. Looks like it has done. This provider is pending. We have Pipedrive, Go High Level, HubSpot, and Salesforce. That's nice. It's like I'm just giving this right now, but for sure we're gonna add more layers, more number of CRM as soon as we start to find new clients. This is just for the start, so at least we can launch our beta version. Now let's give it this agentic SMS thing. Okay, what the goal is, wire agentic SMS autopilot fully into the mini CRM timeline and external CRMs, including activity logging, booking attribution, and sync bridges. Okay, so see, this is the best part. I just have to press the enter, and it will keep on working. Just because we had the prompt ready, that's why. So that's the best part. You can make the prompt ready. See, it has made the plan, mini CRM logging, external CRM sync. timeline surfacing, and all the things. So now I can just close this, right? And with it, even from here only, we should be able to control the SMS too, right? Like if the timing has been set to 9 a.m., if we want to change it to something else, then you know all these changes should also be done from CRM only. So make sure you connect everything that's there from agentic SMS over here so that we can just correct our timings and we can do all the stuff out there too. Okay, it made the implementation plan. Let's see what's the plan. And now it will add this to the plan too. Okay, it has this timeline UI surfacing and everything. Logging in SMS brain. Perfect. What remains? Not implemented. Write a handoff prompt for all the things that are remaining and make sure to write it that briefly that it can understand everything what are we working on and what all things are needed to be worked on. It says layout now pulls create supervised browser client from this and da 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 da, and is now server only, so perfect. pnpm dev.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget.
Let's see, can we
Baby,
log
it's
in now?
on. We are both dancing blind, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping love. So there ain't no stopping love. No, there ain't no stopping love.
It is not able to log in. close this. Let's get on to a new window.
We could be flying free, leave our worries below. Safe and sound, no one around. Say the word and we'll go. Baby, we'll fly. We all go dancing down when paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground 'cause there ain't no stopping us. So there ain't no stopping us. No, there ain't no stopping
Looks like there is some issue in authorization, like I'm not able to log in into my account. So please check what is the issue and make sure you resolve it perfectly. Whatever is there, make a comprehensive plan first, and once I approve it, then start working on it. Always make Codex make a plan first. It is very good at making plan. Here's a concise plan to diagnose, fix odd tenant login issue. Perfect. Reproduce the current flow, inspect data migration. Perfect. Looks good. Go ahead and make sure you implement all the 6 steps so that this thing never happens again. And I should be able to log in smoothly. Okay, it has context and everything is ready. Um, let's just get out of it. Let's get in here. Go. It will stop when the thing is done. Perfect. Let's do a sign out then. Nice. It should take me to the home page though. Okay, what all things do we have here? Let's see first it is done or not. It's done. Walk through. It says SMS autopilot CRM integration complete. Perfect. I want you to go through the same process for agentic email too. But it is getting worked on, right? Yes. Once that's done, we'll give this the command. Okay. Let's add some more graphics to AI sales team. I want you to work on AI sales team page and add something super amazing visuals that states there's gonna be different agents, all of them gonna be working on different things. Like I want you to just work on its hero component. Like hero component should show something kind of a brain or something like that that's revolving and all the agents are just coming out of it and working on all the stuff, so it should be something super kind of 3D thing, as well as it should be super visual, as well as people should be able to understand that we are not something that provides just the small part of AI called dialer. We are a team of agents who is going to work, and it's gonna become the brain of the company. So go ahead and make something amazing out of it, and make sure to use the best tools, the best things out there. You are free to use Shade CN, you are free to use Tailwind CSS, and make sure to design it super perfectly so that this thing looks like super, super, kind of, it should be the dominating page of our whole website.
Still curious. Maybe you should
This page is going to be marketed a lot, so I want it to demonstrate what all things we are doing, what all things we are going to present, everything.
curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Let's see. Gemini 3 Pro is crazy. It's crazy. I'll make you see what it can do. Okay, let's see. Let's just wait for it. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm excited. It will first make an implementation task. Okay.
Something more than toys. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you
All of these are working. Yes.
curious. That's the more you
Let's
always
get done
show.
with this server for now so that
Curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious.
let's see.
That's the more you always show.
Okay,
Curious.
it made the
Maybe
implementation
you
plan.
should
Let's see
take it
what's it.
slow.
I've created implementation plan while a stunning 3D brain hero section using framer motion. It is working on it, guys. I am excited. This time I am excited. Like now, I don't know. This was amazing. This was super cool. I just loved it. Like it shows, it shows the brain. It shows like different agents are working, but it shows like all the agents are making calls. There's nothing else, right? Like it shows audio, it shows audio, it shows audio. So we don't want to show audio everywhere. Everybody should be working. Like not everybody is gonna be talking all the time. So let's see.
Reaching for the stars.
There is some brain visual.tsx. That file is gonna make something huge.
Wonder where
Let's see.
you are.
It is generating the code. It says set up AI sales team page structure, implement hero section, create brain core visual, create agents emerging animation, add working visualizations, orbiting or something. Oh, okay, it's adding the code. It's just 91 line of code. It's not that huge, like 500 or 600 lines of code, no. Now agent card.
This is a
It's making
flashback.
different files. It's having some separations. So that's the best part. That's the best part, right? Like designing is the best thing, while it is orchestrating every other thing in a way that
This is a
everything works super perfectly as well as in the sync, as well as if
flashback.
the brain visual might stop someday or it might load, it might not load, but then agent card will load, right? So that's the best part. That's the best thing I love. This guy's working on email. I told you it's gonna work for a long time. See, it's working for 6 minutes and it's gonna work more than that for sure until it completes everything. So if you anytime feel that any of the agent has working, like it has been working super slow or it has not been working with that efficiency, get a handoff plan, handoff prompt, and give it to another agent. That's the best thing that you can do. Let's see what it is doing. It made a hero section, TSX. I've built the brain visual. I've done this layout TSX. It's not been added. I want it to be added. I'm waiting. Oh, Oh shit, I closed it. That's why. Shit, 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 shit. We need it right now.
This is like a flashback, flashback
This
to
is
my
the place.
memories. This is all the things you can fit inside a melody.
It's working. It's working. Says API is listening. Compiling the sales team. Ready in 7.2 seconds. What is this music? It says it's ready. Let's click. Oh no, it's not. We still have to wait. Oh, it says it is ready. Why can't I see anything in here? Where is the brain? Mm-hmm. It is here. Guess what, guys? Guess what? It has made something crazy. At least crazier than the thing that we had. Meet your agentic sales team. Crazy. Just with one prompt. Okay. Coming soon, deep dive into each agent. Crazy. Crazy. Still want you to refine this thing, make it look more like a perfect brain, as well as the agent cards should look more creative, more meaningful, more um, let's keep it like this. All the other things needed for the whole page. Where are the women of the team? There are no women. It's Scout, it's Alex, it's Max. There's no women. Nova, male, but okay. Let's keep email strategist a female and lead finder a female. We're gonna have some female too working on your project for sure. For your company needs females more. They work better than male at least. Look at me, not working that much. Oh, looks like it has done the stuff. Apply the migration. Let's do it. We are good. It was this tenant repair slug, right? Perfect. This has made a new implementation plan. The agentic email is still working. Look at this, guys. This is the best thing. Let's make this P and PM def. Oh, I already had this working. Shit. Sorry, bro. Sometimes we just get confused. Like, it's not confusion, but we just get lost into something else. While signing up or logging in, like password should have that eye icon to see the thing. Can we log in? It says authentication missing error. Perfect. Crazy. We got the tenant ID. All these things can be worked on any day, anytime. That's a huge success, guys. That's a huge success. Let's make all these changes happen so that we can then get on it. This is a huge success. We got the tenant slug so that now we know what all things are there. It's T brace POS 003. I don't know what 003 is, so we're gonna ask it because I don't want it to, use any numbers. It should be just the company name. So companies can feel a bit more extensive. They can be like, yes, we have something. We are getting worked on. Let's see the error resolved. This agent needs to be closed. Wow, it is ready with the thing. What is it? Wanna check it out? Let's go and check it out. Why is it not working for me? It wants us to clear this out. Fixed the thing. Please retry your app. Let's retry it.
Lights stay flickering, the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pound, pound, pound. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Sure you want to enter, you can start back now. You don't know where I've been. What's going on inside? Where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. Would you love me up my words till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a Could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. Broken
Looks
windows
like
on
I
the
need
front,
to
shadows on the
just
wall saying that you better turn
close this server
around.
and
Be the first to try to
start it
break
up again.
me down. You're rude, you too. Could you love me at my worst? Feel the coffins in the dirt. Try to break me like a curse. You know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion. But could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. But could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're too scared, get
Is it
out.
not able to
A
compile or
haunted,
what?
haunted,
Okay, it compiled it in
I'm
40
a haunted
seconds.
house.
What the heck is its
Feel the
problem?
coffins in the dirt. Anyone can love a pretty little
Compiling
mansion.
icon, it will compile the whole page and then it will get us back. Whoa, whoa, guys, this is crazy. This is just another level. Look at it. Always a like from myself. Let's see what are we doing. Are we getting any reach? Looks like we got 13 engaged people. 8, 12, 16. That's huge for me. People are getting 500k, 1 million engagement. We are not, I'm not that much active, that's why. That's why I'm trying to get more active on here. trying to do different stuff so that we might get something out of it. Perfect. Okay, I love the page. Let's get into it. Perfect. Specialists, not journalists. Generalists, I'm sorry. I am. This is getting crazier. This is getting super, super crazier. Um, I want meet the squad. I want more better graphics for this for sure. I guess I'm gonna get out of the limit for now, but let's see. You have made the component meet the scout. I loved it, but I want the graphics to be more visuals. So like a more advanced graphics, not this simplistic stuff. So go ahead and make sure you add something that shows that how it works and how everything is going on inside each and every agent, like how they are working. And so it should be more visual. Like the window that you made, it should have something more visual elements and everything inside it. And I guess you left our mini CRM visuals besides the part. So just add mini CRM below Meet the Squad so that people can see more stuff in there. So like there should be a window, like a window kind of visual that shows the whole CRM over there. So go ahead and make that thing out. This is crazy. This is going crazy. Look at this. Look at this visuals. Like, how can anything make this with a single prompt? I'm like going after this now. Okay, let's see what other agents are doing. It worked for 20 minutes. It did everything. Rerun new tests, node 20 after fixing the rollup. If you want a persist candidates tweaks and a small API for saving tenant email configs and wire planner control to it. Go ahead and check what all improvements can we do inside this thing, and if you find any gaps or improvement scope, then to let me know. You know, this always gets us some good improvement stuff. Okay, let's see what it does. Human SDR team, agentic green. This is how it works. Basically, this is gonna cost somewhere around 85K. It's more than 85K for sure. Nice, 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 nice. I like it. Let's log in and see what all things we have. Compiled login. See, now we have this thing going on always. That's auth session missing error, so that it shows us what all things are missing out. Hello thing. We have a new viewer. Hey, how are you doing today? Okay, we have more. Oh, we have the same error that was getting worked on. Looks like it is not able to resolve it. Let's give it to this. Um, let's do it here only. That's a better plan. Keep it fast, and we good. Inbox actions are mostly cosmetic, editing text, uses this, never, sends an update and off. Look at the state again. Do you want cadence experiment setting to be persisted per tenant? If so, we should add a safe endpoint. Not sure about the first point. I want your advice on it because what I feel is it a standard practice or not? I'm not sure about that. What do you think? Is it going to be a game changer or not? Sometimes you need to ask and get the better advice from itself so that you can get the better idea on what all things you should work on. This thing has found the error, I believe. This thing is still working on the plan, as in more visuals. I guess it's not gonna let us go now. 3,000. Let me go in. But it's not gonna let us go. Gonna fall into the same thing now. Nice. We have the new errors. I like new errors. I hate the old errors. At least something is getting worked over. I believe this thing is happening just because there was the agent clash, if you remember. We had the agent clash, so that's making some issues over there. Let's go on our favorite page now. Let's see. Something is going to happen here now, as far as I know. What is it doing? It's generating. Let's go to my account and maybe we can just quote on that thing. Let me just repost this and then what is it? Learning to put things down, enhance it. Let's see how it enhances it. Let's make it gangster. See, things are going straight on the big time. Don't just say, let's do this, let's do this. Let's remove the EM dash. Let's see how this vibe goes. Okay. What the heck? Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is huge. Look at the mail. Okay. Max closer. What the heck? This is something huge. This is huge. The central brain. Look at this. You can access this. You can access this. Let me type. This is going on the next level. I just want to put down this video on Twitter and everywhere. This is crazy how things work. I love the designs that you have made. Thank you so much. I just want you to work on the central base. It wasn't base, right? Central brain design. It is made perfect. It is amazing. Make it more advanced looking thing. Make it like, a lot of advanced things are going inside it, as we are going to make it like that. But yes, make it more advanced, make it more enhanced, make it more interactive, and make sure it is super, super crazy. What I feel from this component is I'm gonna take it up. I'm just gonna keep it on my homepage, I guess, in here. I'm gonna replace this thing out. This is shit. We need it here. People should be able to see something crazy on the homepage. Something crazy should be happening in here. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I love it. I guess I had drafted something. Do we have drafts? Discard. Scheduled unsend post. No, we don't. Okay. Let's see what all of they are doing. This is still loading. It is obviously. Oh, I gave it to. No, I don't want you to work on it, bro. This is the thing. Sometimes we make some mistakes like this. Like anti-gravity is lagging over here. It just if we just use some other model on some other tab, it's gonna take that default and use it here too. That's a big mistake of theirs. They need to work on it. But I believe it's Google. They're gonna work on it for sure. We can start tagging them up on this. Maybe they might see us. Discard. Oh, I'm using my account, that's why. We'll do it later. Um, let's log in now. I hope so. It should start working at least. What does this say? Yeah, bro, proceed. I love the plan always. Plans you make are excellent. It is ready. Okay, let's give Codex this task. CMD. In login and sign up pages, just work on the front end part of it. In those pages, we need whenever we put on the password, like there is this window where we put the password, right? Like the text field. So I want you to add a eye icon. So by clicking on it, people can easily see their password, whatever they have wrote. So sometimes the password can be hidden. Sometimes if they want, they can just click and view the password. So just use the standard practice and make this thing happen. It is super easy task. Just work on the front end. There is no need to work on the back end right now. Okay, it will work on it. Let's see what. Still this error? Seriously, what? Why do we have this error? It looks like we need to start it again. That would make everything clear. Okay, let's just close this. Let's close the site. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, looks like it has done the work, or we are out of the limit. It has done the work. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. We're gonna get something huge now. PNPM def. Let's get it off. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna take a lot of time for compiling, right? Oh, it's see, it's compiling. Oh, it's compiled in 6 seconds. Nice. It's good. Still, it didn't open the page, so it's not compiled yet. Thanks, Shob. This is crazy. I need to get the reach now. I'm not sitting alone now. Doesn't this look so much cluttered up there? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? Okay, okay. It didn't make it? Or what? Oh, it worked on the this brain. No, I want the previous thing, it was better. How can I go to the previous version? I don't want this new change. Let me first do one thing. Let me just save this. I've I've faced this a lot. Like, see, get status. Okay, get ahead. Let's remove the lock. I guess it's just del. Invalid switch. What was the command? What was the command? Let's give it to Gemini. I just want to save the version that we have right now because otherwise it will just hack me up. See, this is okay, okay, okay. Maybe I was putting it the wrong way. Perfect. Git add, lovely. Git commit, new progress. Let's not think more on this. Oh, why do we have this again? Perfect. We're good now. Let's give that command. I didn't talk about the brain. The previous version of the brain visual was better. I was talking about what is its name? Let me check. The central brain, one dashboard to watch your army of agents work. Oh, the central brain that you made below the squad visuals, the central brain where you have shown the dashboard where all the agents are working. I was talking about it like just enhance it, just work on it and use all the things that I have asked you before. Where is the prompt? This was my prompt. And make sure to take the brain visual to the previous version that we had. Don't keep this one. I can't undo the changes or what? Can I do it? I can't. I can't. Maybe it will change everything, so I don't want to. It has some version history. Let me check. See, it has the whole thing. It has the whole thing. I don't want to remove this. What does this say? Undo this. What the heck? Email visual. It will it will remove the whole file. No, I don't want to do that. Go and work on this, bro. That's better. Perfect. Let's see what it does while that works on everything. Um, we have everything committed. We are going to go for Where is this going? Okay, it's working. Let's log in. Let's see everything goes well.
Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too. Ever
Perfect. It's working.
there's only so much holding on. You can take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you
Why the
gotta
heck
do
we have
to
this problem? I don't know
fight
why.
the rest.
What is this new problem?
Keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Perfect. Please make sure that this error never comes up because it has been occurring up simultaneously every time I try to log in. So please check like what thing is there, what is the main problem of it. Go to the root cause and make sure to make a comprehensive plan to resolve it.
Could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much holding back. I can't do what I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest.
Okay, it's working on it.
Keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do
Password
to
visibility thing is at it. Yeah, we saw that, right? That's perfect. Agentic email. Then go ahead and add it. Like, I don't have any issues with it. Make sure our whole thing is super secure as well as it should be super functional and super advanced because AI is going to use it and different AI agents are going to use it. So, as per whatever things they do, we don't need to have, like, I don't want to have any other issues. Perfect. That sounds good to me. What all things are going in here? Let's see.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight. Unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it
Oh
locked
God, it's
down,
been
drop
29
down, see me
minutes. We
flying, never
posted
drop
this. Wow,
down, drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm
crazy.
not
Oh, we have
round,
been
no
live for
denying
2
what I
hours, 30
got
minutes.
now,
I have no idea
keep an eye out, keep it
how
locked
long
down,
I have been
locked down,
live.
you're too strong, wanna
That's the
battle,
most
so
craziest
whisper
part.
if you want, the commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never slip eyes open, hands clutching on my lip. It's a war zone. It's a war zone.
What is it generating
It's a
now?
motherfucking war zone. It's a war zone.
Let's see how long it takes to compile. 20 seconds. 700 modules, guys. This is huge. Okay. I want to see my previous brain, bro. I don't want the shit brain. Let's see how long it takes into the module. Oh, lovely. Look at this, guys. What is this? This is huge. Love the thing that you have generated. There are different pages on the dashboard that I can see inside the small mini CRM visual that you have made. So make sure all those pages open up and they must be interactive. Where did it go? Oh, let's first change the model. Let's keep active agents 10, like 8 on 10 maybe. And there is a component that shows active agents. So keep it like um, 7 out of 10 or 7 out of 9 or 7 out of 12 or 10 out of 12 are working like active. Something that shows the reality, like because we're gonna have that many agents right now. That's why we are working on it. What is this working on? Like it has took the huge time. Once this thing gets worked on, then we will start working on our thing. PNPM install worked successfully. Okay. Gotta go logged in, guys. I believe it's gonna be 3 to 4 hours stream today. I'm sure. Perfect. I want to log in and see how everything's working, but it's not letting me do it. This is a nice page, you know. This is a very good page. Contact support. Okay, let's try this thing. We have the wait list, right? We have our wait list. Like if somebody wants to get started, they should go to the wait list page. I'll change it. And let's turn off the sign up page for now. Claim your spot. Let's just keep it like CEO, service creator. It's B2B SaaS. Oh, I'm sorry. Needs my email. Let's keep it. Let's see if it works. Let's see if I received the email. Keep your phone nearby. Alex will explain how sales creator can close. Let me check. Did I receive the email? I actually received the email, but on the another email address that I have. Okay, I have received at both of the places. That's nice. That's nice. If you guys want to see it, let me look at this. Lead details and all these things. Um, New waitlist sign up. That's nice. That's nice. What the heck? Let's just do one thing. Let's close it. Let's stop it. It has worked on it. It says it has implemented everything. So now let's see if it did everything or not. Perfect. Okay, agentic mail has done its part. So I gotta go and ask this agent. It was this, yeah. Perfect.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gonna bring me down.
Looks like let's let's let it complete the thing because it's not working. I don't know why. This happens with anti-gravity. I don't know. It has some issue. Oh, I guess this has something running in the terminal. Let me just close it once. Perfect. We are live on 3000. Perfect. We are in here. Let's see if we can log in. Don't give me this error, yeah. I'm like tired of this error now. What model to use to resolve view, bro? Let's give this a try last time.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the ocean breeze. Suddenly,
Sometimes these
I
errors,
saw what
make
you
you
meant. Now I
lose your
see
mind.
we were never
That's the
meant to
shittiest part.
be. If only we could
I'm trying to close this. It's not even getting closed. It's not getting stopped. It has taken up my window. Let this crash now. Close. Perfect. Love it. Do it.
Picking up the pieces of a broken heart, yes, I was chosen. Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken, I'm not broken. Already cried my tears
Do it.
for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Oh, 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 oh. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Gravity can take his arms around my legs and try to pull me. I'll still levitate. The greatest gift I got is being is holy. One thing I learned: pain hurts, but don't control me. I'm not broken. I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Oh, 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 oh. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the
It says it as Then it's work. I want you to do the same things, like do everything that you did for agentic SMS, do it the same for agentic email. Make sure to connect it with it should be connected with email brain, and for sure just check on everything, like it should be working perfectly, and then you are adding everything out.
To get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
Let's not do anything, because these are the crucial parts that are going on right now, it will help us to deploy it perfectly, as well as make the whole thing work super perfectly. So that's why I'm waiting on them. If that, just get done with that task, that will be the best part. Look at it, it's running the build command right now, and it got succeeded. Both of them are ready. Both of them final summary. Perfect. If you want to silence the import.meta warnings, we can switch those files into ESM build. Let's not do that right now. Added a webpack. Perfect. Recreate the components, UI, scroll area, server. Do it.
You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Oh, this thing didn't get any engagement. Wow, it's been 45 minutes. So this gangster thing is not working. That guy. It said it has completed the task. Yeah, it has, it has. Okay. Outbound SMS scheduled, inbound received, booking attribution, follow-up scheduled. Now I want you to go through the whole backend. Just check. Do not implement, do not make any plans, do not do anything. I just want you to go through the backend. check everything, like how this email is going to work, how the SMSs are going to be sent. So once any call is being made, or we just receive a lead from Apollo.io, then how everything is going to work. Make sure whatever you find it from the wirings, like those wirings, those processes, those pipelines, those systems, everything should have been set. It should be in the working condition. It should be in the production mode. So make sure about all these things. Go through every other thing. Like once a lead has been received, how it will be mentioned in the CRM, how CRM will show it. Once the CRM has it, how the call has been made once the lead has been received. So how the call will go, how SMS will go, how the email will be go, and how all the follow-ups will be registered, how all the follow-ups will be made, how all the calls, SMS, email are going to retrieve, fetch, and work with the brain. So, like zero to hero process of everything that's going to work in our version one. So, go through everything, whatever we have built, and get me all the processes, and make sure whatever is not being wired, you mention them. So, like go with the two different things, working mode and non-working mode, or maybe the working components and non-working components. Mention all those things into the table, and get back to me with the final result. I want you to check this comprehensively through the whole database as well as the whole code base. Whatever is not connected wherever, and whatever is not in the working mode, I want their list. And let's go first, make all the things happen. Let's give the same command to codecs. Model, it's gonna use max extra high. Approval is read only. Perfect. It has taken up the whole thing. Let's see what both of those do. It is checking through everything. See leads, upload, call, webhook, retail, waitlist, outcome handler. V1's review is going on. Let's keep it here. Let's see what other agents are doing. Once they are ready, we can move ahead. This was actually for Vercel because we were facing some issues in the Vercel. So um, this was for it. So it's working on all those things. While this is right now working here. It is still checking. I want the report ready. And then let's review, not the walkthrough. Oh, okay, it is right now doing that walkthrough. Oh wow, we have a lot of things working. Lead ingestion, it's working. Perfect. Call flow, it's working. Start thread, perfect. High priority is lead upload import. Bulk CSV uploads don't start outreach. Apollo leads don't start outreach. Post call email via email brain. It's not working. Okay. Medium priority things are calendar integration. Demo booking doesn't create calendar event. Oh, okay. Trial provisioning. Nurture sequence. External CRM. Push for brain. Okay. Push from brain. Slack notifications are not that important right now for me. We need the SMS reminder before callback. Yes. Okay. Recommended five fixes. It's wire SMS, email brain to leads, wire this, add email brain trigger, implement calendar integration, and wire CRM. Okay. This is still checking on it, so let's see. This one is taking a lot more time because it's working on onboarding, it's working on login, it's working on sign up process. So like auth process is sometimes it gets huge and it takes a lot more time because they have to run commands, they have to run different tests, and while running tests, it might fail. Like see right now it's building this, right? So once it will try to build it, if it doesn't work out, it will then go again into it because auth is the single process, right? Like with auth, anybody can get into the whole system, whole ecosystem without even making the payment if they skip the paywall, right? So that's where we should make the whole process fully secured. So that's why the auth takes a bit longer every time. It's like the every time process. Let's see what this thing does. Confirming missing stuff, scanning thread persistence. Okay, what I was going to do was this plans.md. I'm gonna make somebody work on this. Waitlist AI web call. I want you to go through the whole waitlist AI call webhook. The plan is comprehensively mentioned inside plans.md. I want you to go through the whole plan, okay, and then just go and see is it implemented 100% or not. If it is not being implemented, like if there are even just 0.01% of gap, I want you to mention all the gaps down here and just check through all the implementation that's done because we have a flow ready for it. So you will be able to see its flow inside plans.md. So just go through every other step mentioned inside it and even use your brain to go through other things, other improvements if there you find something that's needed, and get back to me with the whole thing and make a plan to resolve all the stuff out there that's present and make sure to get back to me with some good results. Make sure you don't leave any gaps beside. So take whatever time that's needed and make sure to complete the whole task. Okay, perfect. This will review it. Summarizing wiring. Let's see what it mentions. crazy. Nice. Okay. Zero to hero flow that is wired today, assuming env superbase and external keys. uh, Working versus not working components. It tried to make a table, but the table is not visible right now. So API bootstrap and health. Working when Supabase URL, the service role key, health, expects, schema row. This one, infra phase 2. Server won't start without Supabase. Health degrees of schema row is missing. Lead intake, working, writes to Supabase. Not wired is this lead management. Okay. Call start and retail dialer working on retail credits and agent phone exist. Okay, so it is wired perfectly. Blocks on credits perfect, requires retail API key, agent retail ID, and webhook URL. Retail webhook call lifecycle working, parses transcript, SMS brain copilot, working when Supabase present, email brain, partial. Okay. Yeah, that's what Claude Opus mentioned too. So that's perfect. Recent domain API routes working if recent key is present. Okay. Integration auth sync jobs. Okay. It's partially working. Yeah, truly, it's not working because honestly, it's not working just because we have not added the OAuth of HubSpot and Salesforce yet. So yeah, HubSpot webhook not wired. Obviously, Apollo CRM calls SMS email. Not wired. Key gaps to fix. Okay, let's let's stick to the plan that Claude has made because it is the perfect plan that includes all this as well as something else too. So yeah, let's go. Make a comprehensive plan to resolve all the gaps, not just five gaps, but all the gaps, and make sure to resolve all those and make sure to leave no gaps now. Let's see what call list do. Wait list do. This is still working. This has made the thing. Let's go and see it. Close this down.
crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're
Is it even
unaware,
compiling it or not?
moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames
Go
won't
ahead, bro,
burn.
and compile
I
it.
thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you
It's
everything.
compiling
Held you
it.
close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Crazy.
Oh, you meant the world to
Perfect.
me. My
Scout
darling,
node
you're
is
missing.
scanning LinkedIn, LinkedIn, LinkedIn,
Love
LinkedIn.
when you hide
Voice
behind the
node is
screen.
calling.
Shadows in
All these are
the
standby.
reach
That's
of your
perfect.
stratosphere. I prayed for you and kept you
Oh,
near.
9 on 12
Whispered
agents are
truths
working. See?
away my fears. I'm on my own. You made it
Nice.
so, and now I'm
Looks good to me. This page
here.
looks good to me now.
Run
Don't
with
need any
me,
more
find
changes for
me. I'll
now.
meet you when you love
Believe
me.
AI
I
rep page
thought
has its
you
own
could
stuff.
never leave. The home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm
Built
gonna do
Bumble for
this
iOS,
on my
guys.
own.
Some genius people are out there.
No
What the
point
heck
in
now?
blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for
Let's see what
me. That's
this
why I
says.
gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy
Let's see, let's see,
seas.
let's
Oh,
open
you
this.
meant the world to me.
What the other agent is doing. It's still working on it. Perfect. Oh, it closed up the window. I believe there should be some issue. Let's wait until this closes it up.
Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm
Fix the
gonna do
form.
this on my own.
Perfect. Okay, let's make it do this.
You did not know. Oh, oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high.
Perfect. It should
high,
let me log in now, at least. Perfect. We are in. We are in, guys. We are in. See, it says everything is working now. Crazy. Crazy after a long time. Let's keep something. Let's keep a lit. Set up here apps. Okay. Now let's get working. Okay. It says, okay. AI sales agent. Does this configure and everything work? Which model we are on? Perfect. I want you to go through this whole page and make sure that every other button and every other thing is working perfectly. Like setting up an AI agent is not gonna be easy. Like people should be able to select every other thing like voice and the persona and everything. So go through the whole process that we have made. Like obviously people have been selecting their whole persona and what tone of voice they want to select while doing the onboarding. So make sure we are retrieving everything over here and what all processes we have to go through, please go through it and make sure this page works super perfectly. It should get connected with retail so that it won't create any problem for us. It's a retail, it's retail, bro. It's okay. It'll understand. Planning multi-step inspection. Reports. What does reports page show? It is too slow. Compiled it in 9 seconds. It took 9 seconds to get in. Wow. Go through whole reports page and make sure that we have every other thing possible that's working in there. All the reports should get the real-time data as soon as anything is, anything gets changed, anything gets updated in the real time, and make sure to make this page work fully. So if anything is not working, if anything has the mock data, then make sure to make a comprehensive plan to resolve all those and make this whole thing work. Okay, this is working on reports page. Let's keep it on this side. What is the other agent that's working on agents page? Okay, guys, I'm gonna definitely end this session, I guess, in 5 to 10 minutes because I have a new meeting to attend at 12:30. So yeah, let's see what other things we need to work on so that playbooks page is not built yet or what? It's compiled? Yeah, it compiled in 3 seconds. Okay, we don't have it. Resolve backend gaps. We reached the limit till 2 3 to 7 p.m. Okay, let's close it. Go through the whole playbooks page and make sure it is perfectly working. Right now, it is completely blank, so make sure to go through our documentation and make it super working, and whatever things are mentioned in the documentation for the playbook. Okay, it's gonna have all the documentation and all, it's gonna have all the things, so go through it and make it perfectly working. It's on next side, right? Perfect. This has made this error. Waitlist AI call webhook. It'll change it. This is reports page. This is playbook page.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What's it doing, bro? What is it doing? Route. Let's see. There's 369 lines. It has removed from first line, right? Yeah. Let's see what it does now. Plan to make
Time
reports
will catch
full
you.
real time and accurate. Feel free to go ahead and make sure to have a multi-level plan so that you don't stop until everything is implemented 100%. Make sure to leave no gaps, and um, just keep revising the plan that you have made and keep on marking whatever it's done. It has made 431 line of code, guys. That's crazy. That's nice. It should be working at least. It's now okay. See how it goes is Raise POS powered by Sales Creator. That's crazy, right? I want the sidebar to moving. Like it should be, collapsing and opening up. What's the time? It's 12:13. I believe I'll end this session in 2 minutes. 2 more minutes, guys. Let's see who completes their task. I don't think so anybody's gonna do that though. This has made a perfect plan. Says audit current report data flow, upgrade dashboard API endpoints to be range aware, add real-time updates via supervised channels to push and validate manual. Okay. Well, these things are getting ready. I guess this is planning comprehensive interface and component patch. It's going to complete everything, I guess, in a minute or so. It's the time, guys. I need to get out of the session. It was great seeing you people. This companies, I guess we don't need the companies thing. What is it for? I'm not sure. I didn't add it. We need to have CRM page for sure. That's not here. We are having trouble loading your metrics. Please try again or contact support. We'll work on this. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining the stream. Thank you so much for having